What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about Redmond Milk Frother. And I want to thank Redmond for sponsoring this video today. So now, before we go into anything else, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and let's see what's inside. So of course, you got your standard box, which I'm pretty sure is well packaged in. So, yep, stuff you probably don't need. Then you got your cup. Let's go ahead and open this up. Don't want to drop nothing. You can put that in the filing cabinet. And you got the main event. And what else you got in here? And you got like a little nice booklet. Let's just make the packaging even cleaner. And then once you're done with this, you can toss it in a file cabinet. Right. So start off, like I said, this is a frothing system. Got the cup, and looks like you have a whisk. Yep. So you got a whisk inside, to mix up. Oh, and it's magnet as well. And then you got a few settings. So let's see, this book had a few settings here. Okay, so you got the first setting, you got the heating and frothing. And then you have the heating and blending. Then you have the heating, chocolate, and blending. And then you have the room temperature frothing, which is pretty cool. And inside of it, you have your different measurements. Right here inside this cup, you have your minimal, you have your max setting, and you have your super max setting, which probably depends on the minimum capacity of the milk, according to the instructions. So now that we got the unboxing aspect completed and done, now let's get into the real dangerous stuff. Now that we got an unboxing out of the way, we're gonna get into dangerous territories. I mean dangerous territories for those people who are lactose intolerant, just like me. I'm just kidding, guys. But Redmond's Milk Frother can make so many different things. For example, you could do frappuccinos, cappuccinos, mocha, and latte. I know you guys like that. But we're gonna be doing a mixture together with a mocha and a latte together. And we're gonna see how delicious this thing really tastes. So before you even start mixing, make sure you do the basic stuff. And that is wash all of your stuff. Wash it. So wash your cup and wash your whisk and your top. So that way your stuff is nice and clean. Now we're gonna make our mocha latte. And the first we need to do is we're gonna pour in the mocha. Now I went and opened it already. So that way you won't have to worry about the overflow because it already happened. But one thing to be mindful, you got a few different settings. You got the minimal capacity for right here for the milk. And then you got the heating and blending. And then you got a maximum capacity for heating and frothing, and which is in the middle. So you probably can see when I show some B-roll. It's in the middle. So that way it doesn't overflow to the top. So make sure you keep that in mind. So first we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pour this in here. Sorry for if I'm making a mess. All right. And then we got some almond milk. I'm gonna pour some almond milk right here. I'm gonna try to, not go over the line. There we go. So I ain't want to put too much in here. So now we did two basic things. So now we're gonna sit here, put our whisk inside. And if you guys don't remember, I said it's magnetic, so it's gonna zip right on in there. And then you put the top on, which I can't wait to see how it looks. And then my favorite part is the heating and frothing, and which is the very first setting. So you're gonna just press it. I'm gonna move it so you guys can see this a little bit. You could definitely smell the mocha inside and a latte. So it's pretty cool. And honestly, if you like coffee, you'll like the smell. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Let's go ahead and move this back and open this up. Ooh, look at this. Nice. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Look at this. Ooh, this looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it. So now the next thing we're gonna do is make sure you go ahead and pull the cool looking wicks and make sure a little more stuff drop out. I'm gonna put this over here behind a paper towel, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour our mocha latte, or whatever you wanna call it. Let me stop. I'm playing with you guys. And we're gonna put it inside my McDonald's Batman mug. I think it's from Batman or Robin cartoon show, but if you guys like a 90s kid, an 80s kid, then you probably know what I'm talking about. So then we're gonna put some cool topping on it. Oh boy, I hate doing this. 1 second, y'all. Yeah, you can tell I'm reusing whipped cream. Wife, you gotta do this for me. Yeah. You gotta squeeze, you gotta put some elbow grease into it. There we go. Woo! I can't wait. And then we're gonna put some butterscotch on here. Look at that. Oozing off the cup. Look at that, folks. Let's see how this tastes. Good. Now let's see how the rest of the family likes it. So what you guys think?
It was really good. It was good.
Well, this concludes this video. And like the family said, including myself, we really enjoyed this device. Make sure if you're interested in the Redmond Milk Frother, make sure you look in the description below. And I will also attach a link so you guys can check out this really cool, affordable device. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.